Portable heaters are used to warm up specific areas of your home or wherever central air is too costly to run. There are two basic types of portable heaters to choose from. Electric heaters convert electrical energy into heat and require an electrical outlet to operate. Be sure to plug the cord directly into a 120-volt wall outlet to prevent it from overheating. Gas heaters use fuel to produce heat, such as propane, natural gas, or kerosene. Because it doesn't rely on electricity, gas heaters can function during power outages. However, they should only be used in a well-ventilated area like a garage. Electric heaters can be used in enclosed areas. Portable heaters with automatic or programmable thermostats control the amount of energy it takes to heat up a room. With this feature, you can set specific times for your heater to run, a good way to conserve energy. Be sure to follow all the safety and operation guidelines provided by your manufacturer when handling your product. For more detailed information about this and many other popular tools and products, check out the DIY Projects and Ideas section of HomeDepot.com or talk to one of our store associates. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.